In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Undertale after a genocide run. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have just completed a genocide run in Undertale, you might have noticed that the game either does not launch or you simply get a blank screen. There are two main ways of restoring your game so you can play a game. Again, even after a genocide run. The main one is by simply reinstalling the game. So, to do this, you delete all of the data related to Undertale and then you download it again. This is the most straightforward approach because the genocide flag or the fact that you did a genocide run will simply be wiped and then you can start again. However, the second one can be done by changing some specific files which might make the game forget that you did a genocide run to begin with, allowing you to play a game again without deleting all of the data. To do this, go over to the Steam folder, access user data. In here, there might be a bunch of IDs or a bunch of numbers. Simply find your Steam ID. If you have only ever logged into your own account on your PC, it is going to be the only folder available. And then go to this number, 391540. Access the remote folder, and in here you will find System Information 962. All that you have to do is open this with Notepad or any other text editor and delete all of the text inside. Once you delete everything, make sure that you save this file. Now, disable Steam Cloud for a few seconds, and after that is done, open the game. The game is going to ask you if you want to use your local files or use the Steam Cloud files. Make sure that you choose local files. After that is done, go over to App Data, Local, and then Undertale. Inside of this folder, you will have system information and player achievement data. All that you have to do is delete system information 962. And after this is done, once you relaunch the game, it should reset the game and forget the fact that you did the previous run. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.